How to replace an electrical outlet. Turn off the circuit breaker to the outlet you'll be replacing at the main panel. Use a voltage tester to make sure the circuit is dead. Remove the single screw holding the outlet cover plate. Remove the cover plate. Use the circuit tester again to test all the wires attached to the outlet. Make sure no voltage is present anywhere on the outlet before you continue. Unscrew the top and bottom screws holding the outlet receptacle to the electrical box. Holding the outlet at the top and the bottom, carefully remove the outlet from the box. Make careful note of which wire is connected to which terminal. Also note the orientation of the outlet. The new outlet will be installed exactly the same way. Remove the black wire and then remove the white wire. Always remove the bare copper ground wire last. Review the new outlet for any specific wiring instructions. Now inspect the wires coming from the electrical outlet box for any damage. If necessary, use the wire cutter or diagonal pliers to snip away the wire ends. Then use a wire stripper to remove the recommended amount of insulation from the wires and bend the wires into shape. Now attach the ground wire to the green terminal screw first. Attach the white wire to the proper terminal. Attach the black wire to the proper terminal. The stripped wires should bend 3/4 of the way around the terminal in a clockwise direction, and the screws should be tightened securely. Cover the terminals in electrical tape, taking care to cover the connections completely. Carefully push the new outlet into position, securing the outlet into the electrical box with screws on the top and bottom. Replace the cover plate and secure it with screws. Turn on the circuit breaker and test the new outlet for proper voltage. Your new outlet is now ready for use.